wonder
What's
doing.
up, YouTube? We're gonna be running some TF2. This is how it goes.
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh, we have 3 engineers. So much for that.
Yeah. Be cool if I could see anything.
Attention. 5 minutes left in the mission.
Game
5 minutes left in the mission.
might have frozen. Oh, never mind. We're back. Oh, my sound.
Uh-oh.
I haven't played TF2 in a couple days.
I know, you haven't been on. It's been very disappointing.
I cannot. I don't know. TF2 gets old for me sometimes. I can't do it. If you're gonna
I don't
introduce setup,
know if... Yeah.
he's dead.
No, the engine's still there.
I killed one NG. Not the weapon, the person who did it. Engineer on the left shut down.
Yeah, he just tried to place another thing. He's placing another sentry, just straight down mid.
There's a spy left side.
Engineer's going up there again.
I'm dead. Fire got me. And I had a 40-second.
Fish kill.
Good shit. Oh, you're not done. You should have.
Never mind.
No, he's on the point. Oh, we're gonna.
That pyro in front of you is not him. That's not a pyro.
Holy shit, this
To your
spawn
left, to your
gets
left.
peak. I'm dead. That's not me.
There's a scout out of spawn to the left, like, in this little sniper hut. You know, like the really goated sniper spot, right?
No, I don't. No.
Are you alive?
Yeah, I'm out.
When they push through the tunnel, I'll show you.
Okay. Oh my god. He didn't get boat kicked?
He rejoined like right after.
That's kinda funny. No!
There's more than one.
There's like 3 of them. Oh my god. Scout
Oh
back
my
behind.
gosh, so many are joining.
Oh my god. They're on their team too. Maybe. There we go. Oh fuck, I saw time.
We got them all.
Yeah, they're all gone. We're finally free.
Is this their spawn right now? It's not.
Maybe.
Are you playing heavy?
Yeah.
Nice.
Remember.
NG. NG. Hit the turret. No!
There's down.
Behind you, behind you. He's behind you.
Bro, I was so focused on the scout in front of me. Sam's petty. Sorry,
What?
my fault.
I'm not gonna keep peeking out with there being a sniper there.
I did.
Oh,
Okay. That's cool.
my sentry.
Lost my chance to do one.
Uh-oh. Thanks, dude. That's about to be Uber. Medic, please. Medic, you're standing right here, being chilling. There's a scout.
I can't fucking hit him. He's so fast.
Oh, they put a sentry in my spot. What class are you right now?
I'm playing spy.
And then you missed the backstab.
I don't want to talk about it. Crispo's crap at me. Like 6 times.
I got him.
No, no, not the medic. They have a battle medic.
You serious?
He was trying to fuck me up with the crossbow.
No! I walked off the map. Hoover, I walked
You're
off the
finally-
map.
Yeah, it sucks, doesn't it? Oh. Oh. Oh, Megatronic's here. Look at him, Mega.
He'll get pissed off and kick it. Did he just bonk in front of you?
Yeah,
Is he emoting you? Is he emoting you?
maybe.
I didn't think I hit the headshot.
Oh.
A Megatronic's back. Their team's getting harassed.
Like in their base, just tormenting them.
I just got market gardened by a pyro. I just got market gardened by a pyro.
Oh.
I saw that rocket turn blue, and I was like, that's a crit. Dead.
Pyro in the basement! Nah, that's so funny.
Dude.
Demon
You ready for some prime battle sniper? Here we go. There's one.
What the fuck? This pyro.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it your eternal reward, Spy?
That's him in front of you.
Oh!
Do what?
I invis sniped him. You know what? I'll get a crit. It wasn't a crit, but it did kill him.